Let's look at this project. This is a smaller family house, but it's a perfect scenario to show you how to define railings on by ourselves.
Yeah.
So, for instance, if you want to add a railing to that patio over there, how do we do that?
Yeah, well, let me just erase these two because we will create these pretty soon. So if you would like to follow the contours of this, let me just go back to the 2D first and show you how that works here. You just go to use the railing tool and just go with this one. The second one is the one that I used before. It's just an alternative to the option that you have in the settings of the staircase. This will give you the opportunity to select the staircase, and the software will automatically draft one for yourself. I will show you soon. But if you go with the first one, you need to pick those points. This is what we call a path of the railing. So this is the path which will be followed by a railing. So I just found the center. So
yes.
So this is the one that I would like to cover, and that when I hit enter and enter again, because I completely finished this editing, the software will create a staircase using the default setting that was inside this this project now. But actually there are several different railing settings here. So if I would go with this one, let me just change this. I select this here. I select this one, and I go with this option here. Then the software changes the settings stored within this this railing.
So the point is that you have to define a path, and after that you can change it. You can tweak the path, or you can change the style that you work with.
Yeah.
The point is that the path is the one which determines where things go, right?
Yeah. Actually, the path also determines this path in the 2D, but also you can change it in the 3D. Let me show you that here, because if I would do the same thing here, if I just draw a shape based on this glass railing with frame, I will use the same, and I go from this point, click to, for example, this point, and then I click here, because I know that this should be broken here, and I would like to make a twist on the path. And when I hit enter, the software is actually not doing that because I did not set up the height for that point. I can do it many ways. I can combine two railings as well, but in this case, the simple solution is that I just select it in the 3D, and then here is the option to elevate this node and change its height to something else. I can even type a value, and when I click here, the software will change the 3D shape. So this will work both ways. Either I can design it in the 2D and change it in the 3D, or actually I can just create the path in the 3D and then align it or reshape it in the 2D as well.